Hammerspace produces a respected data virtualization platform, enabling applications like AI training to access data anywhere. One of the strengths of Hammerspace is that it is a pure software. It can run just about anywhere on just about anything. But now the company is announcing a partnership with reseller Arrow to ship a storage virtualization appliance, a physical appliance based on Dell hardware. Is it 2004 all over again? Or is something else going on here?
Well, I have to say that when our colleague Mitch Lewis mentioned this, I was kind of chuckling because my background in the storage industry, well, I lived through the storage virtualization wars. We saw many of those companies and products come and go. In fact, many of those presented at the early Tech Field Day events in the years that began 2.0.0 and 2.0.1. But here we are in 2024, and we're seeing storage virtualization appliances gaining a foothold yet again. Well, the truth is that's not what's going on here. Hammerspace has always allowed you to run their global data platform software on a variety of different servers and platforms, and many implementations make sense to run on a dedicated server. In fact, many of their customers are already running Hammerspace on dedicated servers. And this move is quite simply a way to codify that, sort of like NVIDIA does with their GPU clusters or other software makers do with resellers and integrators and standard platforms. That's exactly what's going on here. Essentially, Arrow has a bunch of customers who want to deploy a bunch of Hammerspace, and they want to do it in a standardized way on appliances, and Hammerspace said, sure, well, go ahead and do it. Now, it's important that we call attention to this because one of the key features of Hammerspace, and this was actually the difference between Hammerspace and their predecessor company, was that Hammerspace is not a storage platform. It does not have a storage array. It does not require a specific storage array. And so it was very important to them that they separated the data from the storage when it came to deploying this platform. And that's exactly what they're doing here. They're still separating the data from the storage. They're just delivering it in a slightly different way.